Welcome to Champ Kids TV. Let's learn the letters one by one with words that make learning fun. A is for alligator. B is for ball. C is for cat. C is for camel. D is for dolphin. E is for elephant. F is for fawn. G is for giraffe. H is for hat. I is for ice cream. J is for jaguar. K is for kangaroo. L is for lollipop. M is for mermaid. N is for nest. O is for octopus. P is for pig. Q is for quail. R is for rat. S is for snail. T is for token. U is for umbrella. V is for volcano. W is for whale. X is for xylophone. Y is for yo-yo. Z is for zoo. Great job, little learners. See you next time.